Faith Restoration, Rediscovering Trust and Optimism. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, faith restoration. This phrase isn't just about religion. It's about trust, hope, and optimism. So, whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring phrases, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of faith restoration and discover its meaning and usage. Before we delve into faith restoration, let's first understand what faith means. In English, faith often refers to a strong belief or trust in something or someone. This can be in a religious context, like faith in a deity, or in a secular sense, like having faith in a friend's abilities. It's a deeply personal conviction, often without the need for empirical evidence. Understanding this term is crucial as it forms the foundation of our main phrase. Now, let's talk about restoration. Restoration means bringing something back to its original condition. It's often used in the context of art, architecture, or historical artifacts. But when applied to abstract concepts like faith, it means regaining a state of trust or belief that was once lost or diminished. This could be restoring faith in humanity, in a system, or in personal values. Combining these two words, faith restoration, refers to the process of regaining trust or belief that was once lost. This could be a personal journey, like restoring one's faith in love after a heartbreak, or a broader societal experience, such as regaining faith in justice. It's about overcoming doubt and disappointment to find hope and belief again. Faith restoration is a powerful phrase used in various contexts. For instance, personal growth. After years of challenges, he experienced faith restoration in his own abilities. In relationships, the couple's journey through counseling led to the faith restoration in their marriage. Societal context. The charity's work led to faith restoration in the community's generosity. Understanding the phrase, faith restoration, gives us insight into a journey of regaining belief and trust. It's a powerful concept that resonates on personal and societal levels. We hope this video has shed light on this meaningful phrase. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they convey. Keep exploring and keep learning. Until next time, goodbye and happy learning.